Hi, it's George from Cheshire Trailers. Today we're just going to go through how to adequately load a trailer and how to secure it to the trailer. So as you can see, using the forklift, I've just put this pack of fencing posts on this trailer here. As you can see, I've tried to keep the pack of posts, the weight of them over the axles to distribute the weight evenly across the trailer. So now I'm going to strap these posts on. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use 2 ratchet straps over the top of the posts, using these internal lashing points that Nugent ever so nicely put in the floor of their trailer. So now we're going to throw the straps over and then tighten them up, and that'll be sufficient to secure this load. So now we've strapped the trailer using 2 straps, as you can see. So the straps have come over, I've tightened the straps, and then I've ensured the end of the straps are tight and won't flap in the wind. So now this trailer is ready to go to its job. If you need any further information or tips and tricks on how to maintain and look after your trailer, please subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook.